Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add text on TikTok for different times. If you are using TikTok and you want to add text in your TikTok video at different times, so let's see how you can do that. Very first, I recommend you have to update your TikTok app to prevent issues. Then open your TikTok app here, tap on this plus option and select the video which you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this one. Just tap on next. The video will be selected. Here you have to tap on this text option and you have to enter the text which you want. So for example, here I have entered a text. You can move the text if you want. Now you just have to tap on the text which you have entered. Here you have to tap on set duration option. So let's set duration and you have to set the duration in which you want to show that text. For example, I'm going to set duration to up to the first 6 seconds. Now tap on done and the video will be played. You can see that the text is showing, but it will show up to 6 seconds and after that it will be hidden. So you can add more text if you want. So after disabling or hiding one, you have to add more text here. Or for example, I'm going to add this one again and re-add a text here. You just have to set duration and then set the duration in which you want to see the text here. So you can see the first text and the second text will be in the last. After once you have done that, tap on this next option here, tap on this post option and the video will be posted. So in this way you can easily add text on your TikTok video for different times. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.